What's up, Vechain holder? So remember, my brother, my viewers, so this is not a financial video, not CEO can message me to please promote Vechain, because Vechain have no need to devil someone this promote this coin, my brother. Definitely this is one of the viral and trending coin in this time in the crypto market, and definitely the one of the good coin, my brothers, for earning. So therefore I just advise, my brother, for all my viewers, my subscriber, I personally, my friend, invest in Vechain, and definitely I will get an every month very good profit. So therefore I will advise for all my viewers, my subscriber, to please invest now in Vechain. Definitely this is one of the good coin, my brother, to invest now. Definitely 12,000 family hours, my friend, on YouTube. As you can see here, 12,000 people subscribe this channel. So that's clear, my brothers. So they are all trust on ABS6 channel, and definitely I cannot give you a fake news, fake update. So therefore they are all trusted, they are all subscriber, and they are all watching my videos to absolutely ABS6 channel will give you a very good news now. So while you are waiting, click the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and you also, my friend, get a very good profit. The current condition is very good now, because as you can see here, 112.04% they will get a profit just in only in last 1 month. And definitely in July every coin very badly falls down, and very badly falls down, not get a profit. But in this time in August, my brother, just in only in 20 days, my friend, they will get a very good profits now. And definitely in upcoming 10 days I will give you guarantee to they will give you a very good profits now. So I am 100% sure, my brothers, to an upcoming days they will also give you a profit. But in previous days this is also very good jumps, my brother. As you can see, my brother, this time the price is continuously increasing now, so you need to invest now if you have any plan to invest more. So I think it's a very good time to you will be invest now without any doubt, my brothers. Please go now, invest now. And absolutely, if a holder, my friend, starting investing more and more, so the coin will moving more and more, moving upward. But if a holder are starting selling, especially like a short term investor, they are absolutely, when they will see a good jump of others, so they will starting selling and take a good profit, and absolutely they will go now. So therefore I will advise you, please invest for a long time like me. I will give you guarantee they will give you a profit. Please, this is not a financial video. Absolutely you do this what you want, please, and research personally before you take any decision. But do this, I will give you guarantee to you will be get a very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.